How to stop Bluetooth pairing requests on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, tap on the Bluetooth option available over here. So here, first of all, what you need to simply do is you need to tap on the Bluetooth that you would want to stop pairing requests from. Then tap on the unpair option over here. So as you tap on unpair, you'll not be getting any sort of notification or any sort of pairing request from that particular account or profile. After unpairing the profile, next what you can do is simply toggle off the Bluetooth option available over here. So when you tap on toggling off the Bluetooth option, you'll be able to see that there will be no devices that will keep on sending you the pairing request. So just toggle off the Bluetooth option available over here, and that is one of the ways to stop Bluetooth pairing requests on Android. Next is tap on additional settings and untoggle or toggle off this option of pair compatible devices. So this will not connect you to the probable earphones or devices that are near you. So that's it. See you next time.